We move every day through cities, towns, to work and play.
To parks, cafes, crowded and quiet places, to meet people.
And we carry things every day, big and small,
Narrow and wide.
for a few hours or on a trip for a few days.
But do we really need a different bag for each of these times?
Introducing the Liger One, a modular expandable backpack, perfect for everyday commutes and journeys.
One that will not just withstand our everyday needs, but is designed specifically for it.
It's a backpack that can be used in more than one way. What are they? You decide. Look at your needs, on where you are going,
Why you are going, who you are meeting. It has taken us about 4 versions and over a year of testing to bring to you the perfect backpack. We are just waiting for you, the Kickstarter community, to help us bring the Liger One to life.
We have our production and supply chain partners on the ready.
The Liger has the makings of the last bag you will ever buy. It is sturdy, reliable, and thanks to the interchangeable manteau, not boring at all.
Portmanteau, personalized, modular, durable, fun backpacks.
Our moves are personal, and now, so is our backpack.
Chris, I just can't stand these travel bags anymore. Do you think there's anything that I could use to make my life traveling a little bit easier?
Easy, bro. I always knew you were going to have this problem. That's why I spent a year designing the best travel backpack for you. I've been to the factory, testing and prototyping many different ideas. I've studied fabrics, the way of carrying, packing, even technologies, such as a Bluetooth chipset, battery charging, and security.
Oh, awesome! Oh, yes! Introducing Instinct Backpack, the most versatile smart backpack ever, especially designed for busy travelers. The Instinct Backpack gets rid of those little troubles from traditional backpacks. Every single detail is instinctive and revolutionary to meet all those travel needs. It comes with 6 modular packing cubes under the intelligent stick and go system powered by US Velcro. You can stick and switch whatever you want. And finally, you can have your personalized backpack. And it comes with an app. Yes, an app. You can have a checklist of items in each of your Instinct traveling cubes so that everything is so well organized and so easy to use. No time to Google the weather of your destination? Don't worry, the Instinct app will notify you so that you never bring the wrong clothes. With the instinctive pockets for keys and coins, small items are right by your side. Each Instinct packing cube has a different function. The wet and dry compression clothing cube has a unique zipper design, reducing the space by 30%, and keeps your clean clothes from your dirty clothes. The toiletry cube keeps everything safe, from your important documents with the waterproof pockets. A dedicated shoe compartment keeps all the other items clean. The RFID blocking passport cube keeps your bank cards and your passport safe. The electronics cube keeps your USB cables and chargers from tangling. The shirt and tie cube keeps your working suit straight and tidy. Do you want to make sure everything is ready?
Alex, remember to use the backpack with the app.
Oh, yes!
You can list all the things you need to bring, and it will remind you. You can also check where you have put it.
Running out of battery? The thoughtful USB plug helps you charge your phone quickly. And now the £1 million deal is done. Work-life balance is really important. The side opening lets you take your camera from the cube easily, or you can just carry it as a small camera bag. But what if you forgot about something? The Instinct Packing app reminds you to bring your passport and your plane tickets when you check out. Instinct Backpack, the world's most thoughtful backpack. Please support us to help keep Instinct Backpack alive.